Cadillac is working on cleaning up their alphanumeric naming scheme with CT for the cars and sedans and then XT for the SUVs and crossovers. So we have this brand new, never seen before, Cadillac CT5. This vehicle effectively replaces both the ATS and the CTS. It rides on the same rear-wheel drive-based Alpha platform, but it combines both the cars and replaces them. This thing goes up directly against the BMW 3 Series, the Audi A4, Mercedes C-Class is right in that class. There are two engine options available right now. You get a 2-liter inline-4 turbocharged. That is the base standard engine. It makes 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. You can step up to the optional twin turbocharged 3-liter V6, makes more power, 335 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Both of these engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is available, and all-wheel drive is also an option. Size-wise, it's actually a little bit bigger than its competitors. It combines both the ATS and the CTS. It's on the same platform, but the wheelbase is actually longer than the CTS's, despite overall length being smaller than a CTS. This size change is an improvement, especially compared to the ATS. If you've ever sat in the back seat of the ATS, you'll know it's not that comfortable. It's quite cramped. Ride comfort's also something they're really concentrating on with this new Cadillac CT5. Hopefully they don't lose out on the handling characteristics that the ATS was pretty good at. You get 3 trims. You get luxury, sport, premium luxury. On the top 2 trims, you can get the V6, and then different trims come with various levels of like chrome and different wheels. The sport trim gets you a little more aggressive on the exterior in terms of darkening some of the aspects. There is another gray one over there. We're going to go hop in and check out the interior, but this is the exterior of the new CT5. I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of the new Cadillac design language. Got the signature LED blades going on. Overall, you can definitely tell that it's slightly bigger. Hopefully this does well against the German counterparts. They've got 2 different engine naming schemes. Around back, you'll see, I think it's the 550T, and then there's a 350T. The 550, it's sourced from the Newton meters of torque that the powertrain produces. 550 is a higher one, 350 is the 2-liter 4-cylinder. Here is the other CT5 they have on display at the New York Auto Show. This one is the 2-liter 4-cylinder, so the 350T level. The CT5, let's check out the interior. Q has been improved, so the big screen in the middle here. A lot more redundant buttons here, so you can see volume, climate control, which is a lot better. Some of the complaints for the early generation systems were the fact that the touch-sensitive controls just weren't the most responsive. This car has some nice carbon fiber trim. Doesn't have a giant digital display dash like some of the other German competitors have. But I really do like the redundant controls here. Seats have a lot of contrasting color, some red stitching. You can already see the rear seat is definitely a lot more spacious. Looks like it actually has leg room for a full-size adult to sit back there. Close the door. It's got a Bose sound system. One of the other biggest things that Cadillac is going to have is the Super Cruise system. That is going to really set itself apart from the other ones, which pretty much allows for nearly hands-free driving in many, many instances. It's a quite advanced system. Now, this is the second vehicle to get it after the flagship CT6. So we are in the brand new Cadillac CT5. This vehicle is going to be entering a competitive segment. Although the segment isn't doing as well overall due to the fact that everything is moving towards crossovers and SUVs, it's still going to be important to see how it does. They're going to combine the ATS and CTS into one. So you have the CT6 up top, then the CT5, and then the CT4 will eventually be, I think, a smaller, more compact version. Hopefully they come out with a CT5V version, a really powerful one. But as of now, you get the 350T, the 550T, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, or the 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Rear-wheel drive platform, the Alpha platform, has been good so far. That 10-speed automatic is a pretty good transmission. The technology looks like it should be there. Let's see how it does. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any more questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.